welcome to another video. So in this one, I'll be making a display using the IKEA Olivblad Plant stand. So I put a cushion down and I get comfortable because you guys know how much I absolutely love floor time. First, you put the legs together to form an interlocking stand, paying close attention to the middle connection so that the hole is aligned both at the top and the bottom. Then you put the brace underneath, making sure that it aligns with the grooves as well. And for this, the only tool you'll need is a cross-slot screwdriver. And you screw down from the top and tighten, repeating for both. And here's where the plant comes in. So for this one, I have picked the Ceropegia linearis subspecies woodii, otherwise known as the string of hearts. So this plant is a vining one, and all that means is that it needs the support of an external structure in order to hold itself up. And this goes really well with this display because it's all about putting in the support. But because of this, if there is no support in place, often vining plants become tangled within themselves looking for that support. So it's really important that for this step you detangle the plant. So if you got curly coily hair like I do, you're going to be super familiar with this technique, but if you don't, I'll fill you in. So you start from the bottom and gently unravel the strands from each other, working your way gently up the plant until you get all the way to the top and it's fully detangled, and then you carefully set it aside away from the other one so that it doesn't get tangled again as you work on the next sections. So now I'm putting the plant in the black pot to match the stand, and I'm removing the top drip tray as it will only block the light. Now we're on to the assembly of the display. So trying my best to use the stems that are rooted close to the leg of the stand that I am currently working on, I again start from the bottom and wrap my way up until I finish the strand. And then I pick another one up and then I wrap in the opposite direction. So if the first one was clockwise, I now go anti-clockwise. This helps the stems to grip on each other and to almost tangle themselves up again, which works really well in this scenario. Once you've wrapped as much as you can, I then tuck it underneath another stem so that it stays in place. This worked quite well for me, so I didn't need anything else to secure the plant to the stand, but you might need some Velcro or something else if you choose a different plant. And I repeat this again for the next 3 legs. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to give you some of the reasons why I chose the string of hearts, or if you want to be all fancy Latin about it, the Ceropegia linearis subspecies woodii. I chose this plant in particular because the leaves are quite small, and this, in my opinion, matches with the thin legs of the planter stand, so it conforms to the sense of scale. And all that basically means is that things that are roughly the same size naturally look like they fit together. And because the leaves are so small, it also means that as the plant continues to grow and put out new leaves, it will not overwhelm the legs of the stand. They will still be visible beneath everything, which is exactly what I want. Because I love to have a pop of black contrasting the leaves. as this continues to grow and fill out, I think it's going to become really beautiful. So hopefully you guys will see this again in another video at some point. Anyway, that's it. We're all done. I have put this in a south-facing window where it will continue to grow and fill in. If you put something similar together, I would absolutely love to hear about it. So you can either comment down below or you can tag me on Instagram at noirvet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you and your plants grow well.